life is this one. I am seeing that my girls are achieving what they should have achieved long back. Their presence in the modern days making a difference in our life. A stereotypical Muslim girl has a different image in the minds of others, but it is surprising to see that this image is going to be tarnished by these two girls. And it is quite a happiest day, because they belong to old city of Hyderabad. And the image of old city of Hyderabad is something that all of us know about it. The thing is, if you work hard on these people, it will be entirely different. The thing is, we don't care. We don't give much of our time to make them feel that they are really going to be someone if they are given the proper opportunities, So that's our responsibility. I congratulate and this is the outcome of it. Parents are very important. I always say that the parents should have a very clear-cut sort of thing in their mind that their strategy to how to educate.
Hello.
Your abilities, your talents, your capabilities, and then naturally they will come to help you. And because of that help, they have achieved this position and they will go on achieving this, And the tremendous effort that Faiz-e-Aam Trust is putting in to make a congenial atmosphere for all of us to have a quality education, Those who are unable to, they are getting good opportunity through Janab Iftikhar Ahmed Sahab, who has dedicated his life for your cause. Now it is up to you to utilize the opportunities, This example that these two persons are setting up is really laudable. The most important thing is education in anybody's life. I know when I was just 18 years old and I was just doing my second year of BSc. My aspiration was to become a scientist and go to the United States to do something. But all of a sudden this thing happened, And we were having 8 brothers and sisters. Adopt education. That was the only thing in front of me. I used to call all my brothers and sisters to sit in front of me and I used to teach them while I was myself busy in studying, And the result was obvious. 2 of my brothers and sisters are postgraduate and we got married, alhamdulillah, in a very good families, and they are also doctor. So this happens only when you take up the education. If you leave the education and everything is going to be wasted. There is no point at all if you are going to lose this opportunity. Concentrate over on education and only education. Raising the children is not an easy task. Devote your time. Be after them. And then only you will get the result. If you don't devote your time, then you will be spoiling the whole lot and they will be defaming not your family but to the whole community. It is imperative for everybody to concentrate first on education. First on education. When they are still in the kindergartens, concentrate over them, see them in what way they are getting their education. Go deep down, see what schools are teaching to them, or they are just passing the time over there and coming back, or really they are improving their knowledge. And this is how everybody will have. And because of these things, you can have daughters like this, the Salwa and Samia will be in front of you. Let it be Samia in the tennis court or Samia in the field of, in any field, you will have that.